I've got an antique Singer, model 66, with red-eye decals. Serial number is G9756776, which dates it to 1923. It's from January 1923, but I did upgrade the machine to a side clamping foot, which technically would make it a 66-4, but those weren't released until March of 1923. The machine's been completely serviced. It's in this Treadle base just for demonstration purposes only. There is a hub or a boss located below the balance wheel that you can put a hand crank or a motor on it. I've got it in its original Treadle format. Decals are good. There's some wear. Some touched up nicks of paint on top. The chrome's not too bad. Again, with some wear. And basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. It's got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo in the ad. Now I do a full speed stitch test, because that's the only way you're going to tell if you're skipping stitches or if your thread breaks. Those don't typically show up at slow speeds. You can see it better on the back. No skip stitches, no broken threads, and there you have it.